This video will test the signal coverage of the RG-RAP72 wall when installed behind a television in a 5-star hotel's guest room. It will also examine whether the signal from one single RG-RAP72 wall can cover 2 adjacent guest rooms. We selected 2 adjacent hotel rooms as the test environment. The rooms have identical layouts, with each room measuring 35 square meters. The RG-RAP72 wall is installed behind the television in room A. Meanwhile, a mobile device has successfully connected to the Wi-Fi signal emitted by RAP72 wall. We will conduct the tests at 4 locations in room A and room B. Beside the television, near the window, at the bedside, and in the bathroom. At each location, we will also check whether video playback is smooth and free from buffering. Then, the test begins. First, we will conduct the test in room A. Next, we move to room B for testing.